Hi everyone, this is Gardening Girl 1107, and I found this green potato in with my potato plants. It was just kind of hanging right over here, and I kind of buried a little bit. I was looking at the plants and I found it and got rid of it. Guess it was just exposed to the light. But I've been digging around looking at the plant, wondering if there's any more potatoes, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to be pulling these ones. They're really close to the onion. This plant here is falling over. It's kind of limp, and the flowers came off probably maybe a week and a half ago. Here they are. Here's where they were at. So I'm thinking they're ready. So I'll be digging up some of the potatoes, or all of these three plants, when it gets a little cooler. It's been really hot here today. At least the high 80s, maybe 90. So maybe in a couple hours when it cools down, I'll come out here and dig and see what I can find. I hope there aren't too many more of those green ones. But I'll be back to show you as I'm doing it. Okay, so it's cooled off a bit and I'm going to be digging up the potatoes. Got this shovel here. I probably should be using like a pitchfork, but I don't have anything like that. So I'll start with this plant here and we'll see what I can get. I'll be back. Okay, so I dug up all three potato plants. This was the first plant. I cut the top off, but here's the seed potato. It's way bigger than what I planted. The rest of them didn't really have much left of the seed. That's that. So out of the three plants, this is what I got. They look pretty good. Just two tiny little baby ones, and then all of these. These are pretty good size too. You know, that's a good sized potato. So what I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. About a dozen potatoes out of three plants. These are larger than the potatoes that I got out of the two plants about 2 weeks ago. So I've got some more potatoes planted over here. They haven't come up yet. Some there, and some behind me. So that's pretty good for my very first potato experiment. So I hope everyone else's potatoes are doing well. And yeah, gardening's turned out really good this year. See, now my onions have less, or they're less crowded. I have more room. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.